Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're doing the vlog.
I did not say that. It's just that you're being silly.
No, let's do it.
Say hi. Hi. Saan lakad nyo? Oh? Oh? Agnes is the one that bought everybody's ticket.
Everyone ready for COVID.
Say hi. Hey guys, I'm carrying my second one.
She can't carry me.
Oh my gosh. She was jealous that Daddy carries Zaya, so she wants me to carry her.
Daddy.
Oh my god. Okay, Daddy said you're supposed to carry me.
No! I'm carrying you.
Up na. Let's go.
Oh my god.
You be quiet there because she's taller than me. And she's 9 years old. And Daddy, let's see how me and Daddy.
That's a perfect match.
Anyway, kids are making fun of me already.
I'm tiny, tiny.
We're waiting. We're half an hour early. Well, we have to be here 11:30 because of the... Anything that needs to be done has to be done. Done. What?
He's in a hurry. Everyone ready for COVID.
Say hi.
Welcome to South Simcoe Railway. My name is Andy, and it is my pleasure to be both your conductor and your guide on this afternoon's journey into Ontario's railway history. Just as we're leaving the station, I do need to review a couple of basic safety rules. First, we do ask that all passengers remain seated at all times during our journey today. Walking through or between the moving coaches is prohibited for your own personal safety. Also, please remain in your assigned seats. I know there are lovely, enticing, empty-looking seats right across the aisle from you, but they are empty for a reason, because of our requirement to maintain social distancing. Please keep your masks on at all times during our journey. Now, it's a little cold and damp today, so you may not appreciate this as much as we did last weekend. But these coaches, although built in the 1920s, have been equipped with all sorts of modern conveniences, including the personal air conditioning units, which you'll find conveniently located next to every seat. I think in the 20s they called them windows. Now, if at any point in the journey your window is open today, if you're in coach 821 or 74, please ensure it is propped up with a stick, which we provide for that purpose. This minimizes the chance of a high-speed encounter between the window frame and your fingers. Also, please remember to keep your head, your hands, your arms, and any other body parts you've decided you really like inside the coach at all times while the train is in motion. Now, our third safety rule is very simple, and that is that there is no smoking permitted on board the train at any time with one exception. At which point she is purchased by a group of train tourist railway similar to what we do here, but in eastern Ontario. So they bought her and moved her to Trenton, and she sat on the siding for a number of years. But they were, sadly for them, never able to get their railway started, so they put her up for sale again. We bought her and moved her here, where she gets to relive all the jobs she did during her working life. She's our yard engine when we need to move equipment around the rail yard. On days like today,
harvest this corn. So you're all spoiled now. And then harvest it.
That's what they did. When we got these coaches, most of them had 8, 9, 10, maybe even more layers of paint that we had to scrape away. The rain, snow, and ice had worked their way in through the